Today, let's take a look at Festool's Imperial Installers Kit. For starters, it comes with a sustainer with a clear top. So this is going to work with all of your sustainers. Let's open her up. So inside, you've got screwdrivers galore in here. I'll take a look at all of them for you. This is perfect for installing your Euro hinges, for adjusting your tools. If you've got a lot of Festools like I do, you've got all kinds of sizes of screws and nuts on them. So this is the Imperial limited edition set. For starters, here's a Phillips number 2, and they've got them labeled for each spot. We also have little covers on them. And then we got some more Phillips action. That's the number 3. We've got some nut drivers. This is a 5/16. We also have a 3/8. Then we get into some small slot style screwdrivers. So these are really nice. I'm probably just going to take all these ends off. We have another one a little bit larger. And then we get to a Robertson number 2, which is really, really key to have. Now, underneath, we also have another tray. So in here, we've got some Allen keys, we've got a crescent wrench, and we have some really nice ratcheting opened end and closed end wrenches here. This is a really nice set if you're an installer. It's all laid out for you. Yeah, you could fit a lot more in here if it wasn't in a tray, but just having it in a tray is just a nice way to be able to grab your stuff. You know if you're missing anything. So if you are really specialized with installing, then this is a perfect way to sort of keep you super organized. The Allen keys here, really easy to use. I love the style of the bottom. These are really nice. You just pull them out. This allows you to turn the Allen key a little bit so you don't have to be super straight. That's a really nice design. On here you've got 5/16, 1/4 inch, 7/32, 3/16, 5/64, 3/32, 1/8, and 5/32. All kinds of really popular sizes. And then the wrenches, we got 1/2, 7/16, 3/8, 5/16, and 1/4 inch. The adjustable wrench, or spanner as some people would call it, is really, really easy to move around. It's got a good weight and everything fits in a perfect little slot. So this is just Imperial. It's not metric. There's nothing metric in here at all. So keep that in mind if you are buying this. This is a really great installer's kit if you are in the Festool game, or if you just want to have a nice installer's kit for doing all your Euro hinges and cabinetry install, or whatever else you might need it for. All right, guys, I hope the video was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.